everybody, Jason Fairchild with Guaranty RV. I wanted to invite you out to take a look at this 2016 Forest River R-Pod. It's an RP 176, so we're going to start on the inside and we'll finish off going over the exterior. Follow me. So if you're looking for a small, lightweight bunkhouse, this is the trailer for you. We got two bunks here in the front. Great for kids. And then in the back we've got a dinette that also makes down into the bed. Now this table is a freestanding table, so that's really beneficial, makes it easy for getting in and out. Also, it can be used outside, so it's dual purpose. Love that in a small trailer. We've got a wet bath in this trailer. Pretty basic. We've got a sink and a shower and a toilet. Also comes with a nice fan in there. We do have AC. Across from the bathroom we've got the kitchen, 2-burner propane stove, sink with hot and cold running water, stainless steel. Lots of cabinetry and shelving, drawers below. Some more cabinetry above. This one does even come with a small TV right here. Speakers, entertainment system that'll do CDs, DVDs, MP3, Bluetooth, pretty much anything you want it to do digitally or media wise, it's going to do it. We've got our nice refrigerator here. It is a gas electric fridge. It does come with a small freezer. And above it we've got our microwave. We're going to go on outside and finish up on the exterior. Okay, so this Forest River R-Pod, it's got the off-road package, so it's got the bigger wheels and tires. Great ground clearance. Take a look at this real quick. So if you like to do that dry camping and get off the main roads and get kind of off those into those beaten up roads, you have a little more clearance, this is the trailer for you. Outside speakers. Storage here in the back. Now it's a complete pass-through, so instead of having it in the front, they have it in the rear of this trailer. That goes underneath the back of that dinette. It's your power cord here. This is a solar powered solar port for exterior solar panels. We've got a full-size spare tire. Tags are good into 20, so there's some savings there. Stabilizer jacks on all 4 corners. Here's the opposite side of that full pass-through. As we move down, we've got our water heater, potable water, city water, cable satellite. Careful, this is hot when you're using your propane furnace. This is the exhaust. And this is your black tank flush here. Below, we've got our gray dump right there. And we move up front here, and we've got our black dump here. Real quickly, I want to tell you how light this trailer is. Dry weight is 2686, so it's 2,700 pounds dry. Fully loaded, this trailer is going to go to 3796, so about 3,800 pounds. Very, very towable. Most SUVs can tow it, just about every truck can tow it. So great, small, lightweight travel trailer. If you're looking for bunks, this is your trailer. It's a 2016 Forest River R-Pod. My name's Jason Fairchild. I really appreciate you taking the time to check this video out. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Have a great day.